Insurance versus restoration services. Here is what homeowners should know. Insurance companies have their shareholders' best interests, not yours. Insurance adjusters and restoration vendors work for the insurance company, not you. Always get a second opinion from a company unrelated to the insurance company. Insurance companies often push preferred restoration vendors, but these contractors work for the insurer, not you. They may cut corners, use lower quality materials, and underestimate damage, leaving you with the bill for unresolved issues in your home. Understanding your insurance policy is key when dealing with water, mold, or fire damage. Here are some frequently asked questions. Does homeowners insurance cover water damage? Homeowners insurance may cover water damage from burst pipes or flood damage, but not from neglecting maintenance. Insurance companies will give you a time limit on your claim, and the insurance adjuster will use this to deny your claim. Does homeowners insurance cover mold restoration? It depends. If mold comes from a covered water damage event, you might be in luck. But if it's from humidity or neglect, the insurance company wants you to pay out of pocket. Hiring an independent licensed restoration company ensures a full, accurate assessment and quality repairs. AMPM Restoration Services fights for homeowners, not insurers. For more information about this, give us a call or click the link below to learn more.